Introducing Japan Aviation Electronics Industries April 2019 product release. J has added new products with improved operability and design flexibility to the MX50 MX53 series automotive HDMI Type E and Type A connectors. Recently, many people are enjoying high-quality audio and video inside cars by connecting their portable devices and entertainment equipment using HDMI. Therefore, connectors to meet the HDMI standards, which are also compatible with automotive vehicle-mounted specifications, are required. In addition, new vehicles have a more complex internal structure, and HDMI connectors are being used in various areas of the vehicle, using various attachment methods. To cater to these needs, we have expanded our lineup of the MX50 series connectors for in-vehicle HDMI wiring, and the MX53 series connectors that enable HDMI connection of consumer devices. For the MX50 series HDMI Type E connectors, we have added 4 types of PCB-mounted receptacle connectors with mismating prevention keys, which improve the ease of installation when multiple connections are used on the same ECU module. As for the MX53 series HDMI Type A connectors, which are used to connect with the consumer devices brought in by the users, the options of applicable cables and mounting methods are also enhanced, as well as the cable exit direction options. Consequently, these new options enhance design flexibility of cable routing and attachment methods. The MX50 MX53 series are connectors that meet the HDMI requirements specified for automotive use. This product is designed to satisfy the HDMI high-speed transmission performance while taking into account automotive use requirements, and it achieves both mechanical and environment suitability. Furthermore, for the applicable wires, it features an exclusively developed shielded wire. J continuously works to offer expanded product variations of in-vehicle HDMI connectors within the MX50 MX53 series to meet the needs of our customers. Please visit the J website for more information on these products.